Tēnā koutou te Reo-Trepeneurs. Welcome to week 3 of your te Reo-Trepreneurship. This week we will be focusing on the core comment or tūiho, why? Who? Now there's only one question. It's who, ko wai. I just follow this blue laser that I have on the screen here, and I'm just going to navigate you through this tohu kāwai, this symbol here that you can see here. So this symbol is called the tohu kāwai, and it's actually one of the most significant tohu within the entire method. You'll see it popping up pretty much in every syntax sheet. Like for example here in the kawatua toru is strictly tohu kāwai, and kawatua wha. So I'm just going to break down the tohu kāwai for you just a little bit. Now it's not that you have to learn the entire tohu kāwai tonight. No, not at all. But I just want you to get an idea, or here's a bit of an introduction of what the tohu kāwai is about. So the tohu kāwai is the symbol of language lineage, and it represents 5 categories of responses. Now, I'm going to break that down for you. So the first category, and just put it this way, they all have their own drop-down menu of vocab. So the first rung on the tohu kāwai is what we call the pū tū tiriao, also known as proper names, place names, and place personifications. So consider this. Pretty much any country, city, town, place that you know in this world resides in that first rung. Here's an example. It's who, it's Australia, it's America, it's Aotearoa. Ko wai, ko Australia, ko America, ko Aotearoa. On the second rung, we have what we call pū tū moko. Pū tū moko, also known as people's names. Now, how many people do you know in this world? Literally. So, here's an example using the people's names, or the pū tū moko. Ko wai, it's who, it's Moanaroa, it's Robbie, it's Ropata. Ko wai, ko Moanaroa, ko Robbie, ko Ropata. On the third rung, we have what we call personal pronouns, also known as pū tū kapi. Now, it's not that you have to get all these personal pronouns in this one lesson, but I'm going to example the drop-down menu of the personal pronouns, or the pū tū kapi. Here's an example. It's who, it's me, it's us two, it's us all, it's you two, it's you all, it's he or she, it's them too, it's them all, it's you and I, it's everyone. Ko wai, ko ahau, ko māua, ko mātou, ko koe, ko kōrua, ko koutou, ko ia, ko rāua, ko rātou, ko tāua, ko tātou. Personal pronouns. On the fourth rung of the tohu kāwai, we have pū tū riro, also known as possessive pronouns. Now here's an example. This one can actually be quite full on, and it does take a while to actually get used to understanding the possessive pronouns. But here's an example of the drop-down menu for possessive pronouns. It's who, it's my, it's our, it's all of our, it's your two, it's all of your, it's his or hers, it's their two, it's their all, it's mine and yours, it's everyone's. Ko taku, ko tā māua, ko tā mātou, ko tāu, ko tā kōrua, ko tā koutou, ko tāna, ko tā rāua, ko tā rātou, ko tā tāua, ko tā tātou. And the final rung of the tohu kāwai, we have what we call pū mau, also known as noun starters. There are 12 pū mau that reside on this rung of the tohu kāwai. Here's an example. It's who. Let's use kuia, the kupu kuia or the word kuia. Kuia meaning elderly lady, ne? So we'll use the kupu kuia as an example. It's a kuia, it's some kuia, it's the kuia, plural. It's that kuia we talked about, it's those kuia we talked about, it's this kuia, it's these kuia, it's that kuia by you, it's those kuia by you, it's that kuia over there, it's those kuia over there. Mā te reo teina, ko tētahi kuia, ko ētahi kuia, ko te kuia, ko ngā kuia, ko taua kuia, ko aua kuia, ko tēnei kuia, ko ēnei kuia, ko tēnā kuia, ko ēnā kuia, ko tērā kuia, ko ērā kuia. Cool, so that is just a quick example of pretty much the drop-down menu that resides in this tohu, the tohu kāwai. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you an example. We'll go mā te reo tuakana, then mā te reo teina. Just an example of one thing from every rung of the tohu kāwai. Ka pai? Okay, here we go. It's who, ko wai. It's Aotearoa, ko Aotearoa. It's Moanaroa, ko Moanaroa. It's me, ko ahau. It's my mum, ko taku māma. It's the kuia, ko te kuia. Now I'm going to take one who statement or one why statement and apply it to tauiho. I'm going to use the pū moko using my name. I'm going to use my name as the example. So the second rung of the tohu kāwai, people's names, and I'm going to use my name. Here's the example of tauiho. It's Moanaroa. Is it Moanaroa? It's Moanaroa. It's who? It's Moanaroa. Yes, it's Moanaroa. No, it isn't. It's Ropata. I just used someone else's name. It's Ropata. Mā te reo teina. Here we go. Ko Moanaroa. Ko Moanaroa. Ko Moanaroa. Ko wai. Ko Moanaroa. Ai, ko Moanaroa. Ehara, ko Ropata. I'll use an example from the third rung of the tohu kāwai, our pūtū kapi, also known as the personal pronouns, and I'll use the personal pronoun ahau, me. It's me. Is it me? It's me. It's who? It's me. Yes, it's me. No, it isn't. It's you. Ko ahau. Ko ahau. Ko ahau. Ko wai. Ko ahau. Ai, ko ahau. Ehara, ko koe. Now, constructing a wai phrase. We're only using kaua tuatahi and kaua tuarua. Here's an example. Obviously, as always, first we identify the core comment or the tuiho. This tuiho is wai. Step 1, kaua tuarua, select a tu a wai, a who base word. So that is pretty much anything from the tohu kāwai. Now we're going to use, I'm just still going to stick to the second rung of the tohu kāwai being people's names. I'm still going to stick to that example. So, step 1, kaua tuarua, select a tu a wai. Moanaroa. Step 2, kaua tuatahi, select the pu a wai. Now there's only one pu a wai or a who particle that we've learned, and that is ko. Now we should have ko moanaroa. Ka pai, deconstructing, ko moanaroa, moanaroa. Reconstructing, I'll choose something else. Ahau, ko ahau. Reversion, exampling the tohu kāwai. Ko Australia, ko Moanaroa, ko ahau, ko taku māma, ko te kuia.